High weight loss exercises sound so great to the ears. Today we will look into some simple and easy weight loss exercises with the combination of balancing. Balancing plays a very important role in your lifestyle. You can improve your balance with a simple technique and a regular practice. Without wasting the time, shall we start? Now this is the first exercise. Take your hands apart and take it under your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Too good. Now stand straight. Take your right knee towards the chest and hold. We'll go for balancing. Hold yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 5 to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you change the leg? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. We'll go for next one. We will be going for jumping jacks. Now take your hands apart and legs. Now very slowly join both. Can we do it together? 1, 2, that's good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax. Now curl your leg back. Now hold. Try to balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 5 to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Too good. Okay. Next one is side kicks. Now we will kick the leg to the side and drop it down. Shall we start? Now 1, give that force. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Too good. Shall we take the other side? 1 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now stand straight. Now very slowly take your right leg back. Balance yourself here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next one. Now we will go for skipping. You don't need the skipping rope. You can just try it on the floor. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Don't give up. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. Now we will go for the balancing one. Hold the big toe, straighten the leg front. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and relax. Can we change the leg? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Relax. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. Please do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for being with me. See you.